clipper. Hey, I buy clipper. Bakabi. Hey, I buy clipper. What? Hey, I buy clipper. Bakabi.
Buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper.
Bakabi.
Buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper.
The Crocheting.
Good morning, good afternoon to everyone who is watching. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, before we go to our tutorial, let's first take a look at the 5 trending protective hairstyles of 2026. And the number one that I'm having is the curly low cut. This is how it looks, very, very protective, and it lasts longer than we give it a duration of 1 to 3 months, as long as you follow the steps on how to maintain it. First with the hair mousse, and plus the moisturizing hairspray. And this is how it looks, very, very nice for casual, and again it can be the office hairstyle. Then I'm also bringing you the number 2. We have the natural hair braiding. The natural hair braiding, this is also a very protective hairstyle, and of course it is done in both hair type, that is natural and the straight lax hair. So you can also do this, but of course to those ones with natural hair, it will always last more longer, because the more it grows, the more it looks very natural and so amazing. And this is how it looks. And of course for this one, we can also give it a duration of 1 to 3 months. And yes, this is how it looks. On the number 3, we have the mermaid braids. Everyone calls its own way, but let's now take this. Of course, when you look at it, you will already know what I'm talking about. I'm saying this according to the people who come at our salon, what they ask for. So this is also very amazing for all hair type, and also we give it a duration of 1 to 3 months. It is very, very nice. And of course we have the number 4, and this is none other than the shanties. This one was trending, in fact, even last year, but even this year, everyone is in love with this hairstyle. And of course, you can do it individually with strands. When you have natural hair, that means that one will call it the natural hair with extension. And of course, you can also do it as a crochet, the way you can see this one. It is very, very protective, and everyone is in love with this hairstyle. And of course, I can say that even if you have straight lax hair, you can also do this. It is not only for natural hair. This is how it looks, and very, very protective. We also give this a duration of 1 to 3 months. And of course, since it has a side cornrows, I will always advise, like, maybe you can always repair only the side cornrows. And to those ones who might choose to do it without the cornrows, it is also going to last longer without making the repair. So this one is also amazing, and it is trending even right now in 2026. So lastly, this is now the final, and it is the one that is trending right now, and this is none other than the Branchy braids. Of course, it's the one that we're going to look in our tutorial of today. And guess what? I hope everyone is going to learn this, and if you learn, please, I would like you to go right in the comment section. You can have any question that you can ask, and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. So let's take a look and see how we can do the Branchy braids. And we're going to start with our natural hair, the extension, because the hair is short, so we're going to braid it using the inward method, inward knotless method. To those who have been following me, of course, we know this method, how nice it is, and of course how protective it is, painless, so it lasts longer. So let's take a look and see how this is going to be, and you're going to enjoy it. And of course, this is how it is done. You make sure that we add in a little kinky, of course, to make sure that the hair, we give it a body and to make it more firm. This is how it all starts.
touch of a crochet master. Yeah. Oh no no no.
Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka. Morris, the crochet master, did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wasa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo me, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh no 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No no no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris, yeah yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Morris, your crochet master, Morris, your crochet master, crochet master, no, 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 touch of a crochet master, he's so good, yeah, yeah.
Number one running.
Tolina chongamba,
Number one, you know. A big thing this.
yeah. Bano beba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukuku wapulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, he ma run them. Mujembi bakuwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them are do for you, them are make you look nice and sexy. Only thing you need to know about this hairstyle, like whenever you're doing it, all you need to arrange your boxes very, very nicely, because this one also gives us a credit on how it will come out. And of course, of these, we have to make sure that we have 3 lines. That is the middle line, the sideway line of this right side, and the left side. Of course, this one is going to help us, like when it comes to style, you will always have to style it in all sides. It can either be this side or this side, and then in the middle, so we achieve all these directions when we are styling. So you have to make sure that you also make your partings very, very perfectly. Beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by Clippers fire. They are by Clippers fire. Dolina Chongaba. They are by Clippers fire. Yeah. Oh no no. Dolina Chongaba. Dolina Chongaba. And yes, here we go. When we're done with our parting, we're going to start crocheting the extensions. And of course, this time around, we're going to use the spring twist hair extension. To those ones who have it, of course, I'm going to drop it in my description so that you can get that link and then you can buy it for yourself. So this is how it looks. We are just going to crochet it on top of our strands. So you can either choose to crochet 3 of them or maybe 2 according to how your client wants it, because maybe your client might want it very huge, like Baggy, that those ones who love crazy hairstyles, so you can choose to add on 2, and those ones who want them simple and
not huge, you can yes, you can choose to do 2, and the others who want them big, you can choose the 3 of them. So this is how we crochet them on each strand as we are braiding. So let's do this together.
Bano be ba number 1. Body chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu wa pulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master muwi, hima run them. Uchenviri bakuwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by clippers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongaba. Hair by clippers fire. Yeah. Oh na na. Dolina, Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba, Dolina, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, a number 1 crochet master, Morris.
Alright, now when we're done, the next step is going to be the finishing, and this is the most important part that I always want guys to learn and to understand, because most of the times whenever we do a certain hairstyle, the best thing that we need to focus on is the finishing, because you need to make sure that your work looks nice after it all, because we can braid, we can make it firm, we can make all those partitions, the line, the strands very neat, but now how is the finishing going to be? This is the very important part that we need to do, the finishing. Then after the finishing, of course, we go to our makeup, and we also have to make it as simple as possible so that we can come out very, very clearly and nice. So this is how it is. Yes, guess what? This is what I got for you. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and yes, this is Branchy braids. Hope you have learned something from it, and I guess I'll come back with another video showing you how to do the same, but maybe with a different hair extension that you might be having. So I'm welcoming all the return subscribers. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video, and again, if you have any question that you need to ask, just drop it in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. May the Lord bless you all. Let me see you in my other next video.